Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So our present series of presentations regarding Excel aptitude is going on, and in this we will present you some new questions. Okay, so far we have demonstrated 3 of the 4 one. Now the 4th one is ready for you. Okay, so this we have Johan, and this we have created for this session, right? The previous ones, if you can recollect, this we attempted already, and then that was followed by this algebraic equation, right? And the next was this. Okay, so and we all have attempted all these things, right, in previous videos, right? So the today's session is about this. Uh, this is the equation which we need to solve using the Excel. Normally, the people uh, have seen the condition of such a test is that you cannot use calculator or do it using uh, using means do not use any calculator or any other technology. Use pen and paper and get this equation solved, right? So that is also wonderful way of this that is good for theoretical concept, etc. But what we are going to see is the test our ability to use the technology, use the calculator, or use the intelligence of the system. Hmm? So uh, I have seen one important note. You could have seen that no smoking is written in so many places, and people are familiar that you are not allowed to do smoking. So means if you start smoking, people will stop you. I mean, these areas are restricted for the smokers. Please uh, do not smoke here, and especially in the pharmaceutical companies, in the hospitals, and so many places. You must have seen there that no smoking, right? I have seen one street, one place where that was a hostel, the boys' hostel, and they wrote the 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 notice on their doors, on their outside their room. They said that non-smokers not allowed, non-smokers not allowed. So here we are not allowing uh, those who do not want to use the technology. So here we want to welcome everyone who has got the knowledge of MS Excel functionalities and use it and try to solve this equation, right? This is very interesting question. So let's try solving it. Control C. I'm taking you to the new page, and this is your say. And let's uh, uh, take the things which we want to calculate separately, okay, so that we can put it in. First of all is the x. So this is x, right? Mm. X is fine. X, we can write, this is x, okay? X is here. Mm. This is x, okay? And then we need to do what? We need to do x square, right? Let's bring the x square here. X square is obviously equal to this x raised to power 2. Okay. Okay. So since it is 0, so 0 is coming. If it is, for example, 2, then it will be 4. That's fine. Let it be 0. Okay. The next is the x square plus 2 and whole square, right? This is tricky. Okay, let's try to do this. Okay. So x square plus 2 is simply equal to, this is x square. So first of all, start the bracket. Yes, x square plus 2. Okay. And this whole thing is raised to power 2. Right? So for the raised to power, we will use 2 and 2. So this is x square plus 2 whole square. That's right. Okay. So if it is 0, it is still going to give you 4. Okay, fair enough. What is the next? The third is equal to, right? Equal to. Okay. We have to check equal to this to something here. Yeah, so let's bring it here. So we put it here. We leave this row blank for the moment. And x plus 2 is simple, equal to this. This is x, and plus 2. Right. Fair enough. So we have to check when these two captions get equal. So we say equal to if this part, that is left side of the equation, is equal to this part, which is the right side of the equation, right? Then what? Then it will be 1. Otherwise, it will remain 0. Okay. Okay. Well, so it is 0 since these are not. As soon as they both become equal, this will be 1. So this is all we need to do now. Our functionality here, which we need to use, is what? Is the data, what if analysis, and goal sync, in which we want to set this to 1. This one. Set this one equal to 1 by changing x. Okay, as soon as this becomes 1, it means both sides are equal. So this is our goal which we want to seek. So let's click OK. So it is now attempting, and later on it crashes. It crashes is that with an error that may not have found a solution. Okay. So the answer, let's get back to the question. What was our question? Our question was 2.7, no, 2.0, no, and 2.5 error. Yeah, this is erroneous to equate these two things, since east and west cannot be equated. So these are far away to be equal to each other, right? So right answer is yes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.